Hi friends, welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today we will learn how to calculate percentage in Excel. To begin, open up the Excel worksheet you want to find the percentage for. Now, to calculate the percentage for this data, you click on an empty cell where you want to display your answer. Then, you type in this formula equal to, you open your bracket, rows C2 times 100, you close your brackets, divided by row B2. Then you press the enter key and you can see that the answer has been displayed here. To change this answer into a percentage, in the Home tab section, under the Numbers section, you click the percentage sign and it automatically changes the answer to a percentage. To calculate the percentage for the other values, you click the check results, then you move your cursor to the bottom right of the cell. You double click and drag to other cells and the answer automatically fits the other cells. So that's it for the video guys, easy and straightforward. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more of this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.